Hello everyone, it's time for us to meet another one of our number puppy friends. Here he is. He's a pink puppy today. But what number puppy could he be? Let's think. We had number puppy 1, number puppy 2, number puppy 3. Who could be next? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is he number puppy 4? Let's take a look. Yes, here's his number. It's number puppy 4. I wonder what his favourite shape is going to be. Shall we have a peep under his collar and see? How many sides does his shape have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And they all look the same size. I wonder if you know what shape has 4 sides all the same size. Shall we have a little look in his book and see if we can find out? Here's his story. Read with me. Number puppy 4. Let's see what he has to say. Hello. I am number puppy 4. We are looking at the number 4, the colour pink, and the square shape. A shape with 4 sides all the same is called a square. Did you guess right? Well done. Here's Mrs. Dogby with number puppy 4 in the front this time. And here's number puppy 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's see what happens. Oh, it looks beautiful in the garden. One spring morning, puppy number 4 was sitting behind his kennel, looking around the garden. Now, where did I bury my 4 big bones? He thought. Here's his thought. Shall we count his bones? 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if you can do some counting. Can you count how many squirrels are in the trees? How about the ladybirds? And what about the butterflies? Great counting, everyone. Puppy number 4 looked at the lovely flower beds in Mrs. Dogby's garden. I might have buried them in there, he thought. The flower beds were square shaped. They all had 4 sides that were equal in size, and they were filled with the most beautiful daffodils you have ever seen. Puppy number 4 ran over to the flower beds and started to dig. He dug so fast that he didn't realise that he was piling up all the soil behind him. Oh my goodness. Puppy number 4 could not find his bones, but when he stopped digging, he realised what a mess he had made. To his horror, he had dug up 4 of Mrs. Dogby's beautiful daffodils. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. Mrs. Dogby was not very pleased when she saw what puppy number 4 had done. Oh dear, what have you done to my flower beds? Just look at my beautiful daffodils, she said, rather crossly. Look at number puppy 4. Oh dear. puppy number 4 picked up the 4 daffodils in his mouth and took them to where Mrs. Dogby was standing. He dropped them at her feet and gazed up at her with a sorry look on his face. Mrs. Dogby did not stay cross for very long. "All right, so you are sorry," she said. "I will have to put these flowers into some water." Mrs. Dogby went into the house and put the daffodils into a vase of water. She then placed the vase on the kitchen window. Can you count the flowers for me? 1, 2, 3, 4. As Mrs. Dogby filled in the holes that he had dug, puppy number 4 was still thinking about the 4 bones that he had lost. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where can they be, he thought. Puppy number 4 decided not to look in the garden again. He had been in enough trouble today. Puppy number 4 went back to his kennel. He lay down on his blanket. Oh, he just couldn't get comfortable. He could feel something hard and lumpy underneath him. Can you guess what was underneath his blanket? Yes, his 4 big bones. They had been under his blanket, inside his kennel, all the time. Oh, silly me, he thought. Oh, silly puppy number 4. He got in trouble for nothing. He'd forgotten that his bones were safe under his blanket all along. Let's have a look at number puppy 4's jobs for us today. He says, can you look for shapes, square shapes all around you? That may be a tricky one. I wonder if you can find any square shapes all around. Remember, all the sides have to be the same. I have a box which has a square shape at the bottom. I wonder what you'll find. Draw 4 daffodils. Look really closely at the daffodils. I wonder if you can draw a beautiful flower just like that. Here's a question I wonder if you can remember. What shape were Mrs. Dogby's flower beds? And here's another one. How many were there? You'll have to look back and see if you're right. Let's count his bones again and make sure that none are lost. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent counting. Well done. Well, it's goodbye from me and from number puppy 4, and we'll see you all again soon. Bye.